In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Pipedrive download export data file. If you've ever exported data from Pipedrive and then weren't quite sure where that file ended up, this walkthrough will clear that up for you. We'll go step by step inside the Pipedrive interface so you know exactly where to click, what you're looking at, and how to download the export file you've generated. First, make sure you're logged into your Pipedrive account and that you're on the main dashboard. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see the vertical sidebar with icons for things like deals, contacts, and other sections. In that sidebar, look for the icon that usually appears as 3 dots, often labeled as More. This is where Pipedrive groups additional options that don't fit into the main navigation. Go ahead and click on that 3-dot More icon. When you do, a menu will open with a list of extra tools and settings. From this list, you want to find and select the option called Export Data. This is the section where Pipedrive manages all your export actions, both new ones you might start and the ones you've already generated. Once you're in the Export Data area, scroll down toward the bottom of the page. There, you'll see a section labeled Generated Exports. Think of this as your export history. Every time you've requested an export of your data, Pipedrive logs it in this list. In the Generated Exports list, you'll see your available files, each marked with a date and the type of export you ran. The date helps you quickly identify the most recent file, which is useful if you've done multiple exports over time. The type label might indicate whether you exported deals, people, organizations, or another kind of data, so you can be sure you're choosing the right file for what you need. When you find the export you're looking for, move over to the right-hand side of that entry. You should see a blue download link next to the file. Click that download link, and your browser will begin downloading the export file to your computer, usually as a spreadsheet or similar format you can open with tools like Excel or Google Sheets. After it finishes downloading, you can open the file from your usual downloads folder, review the data, and use it for reporting, backups, or migration to another system. That's all there is to it. Open the More menu, choose Export Data, locate your file in Generated Exports, and click Download.